Hi, today we will be discussing how to price your freelance services. Most freelancers I meet struggle with pricing. Some charge too little and end up exhausted, others overprice and scare away clients. I've been there too, sitting in front of my laptop, wondering if I should type $50 or $500 in the proposal. That's when I realized, pricing is less about numbers, and more about mindset. I'm Jay, and welcome back to my channel, where we help freelancers grow with confidence. If you're new here, consider subscribing so you don't miss the tips we share every day. To set your price, you must know your value. Clients don't pay just for your time. They pay for the value you create. The faster you start thinking like that, the more confident you'll feel setting a price that reflects your skills. You need to position yourself. Two freelancers can offer the same service. One charges $30, the other $300. The difference? Positioning. If you present yourself as a professional who understands client needs and communicates clearly, your price will carry weight. Thirdly, you must test and adjust. There's no perfect price. Start with a rate you believe in, then watch how the market responds. If every client says yes instantly, you might be underpricing. If nobody replies, adjust your approach. Pricing is a skill you build over time. You must remember that pricing is not about guessing numbers, it's about knowing your worth, positioning yourself right, and staying flexible. In our next video, we'll dive into how to build long-term client relationships, because getting clients is great, but keeping them is even better. You don't want to miss it. I'm Jay, this is Freelance with Jay, and I'll see you in the next one.